Alright, as usual, a demo. Okay, we will need 2 animations for this, one for run, and one for walk. Then, we need to get the movement speed before the character stop, in this case, for the last 0.1 second. You can always tweak this to your preference. Onward, create a new state in Locomotion. For transition rule to walk and run, set the blend logic to initialization, so the animation blends smoothly. And the transition rule itself is as following. Here, we just keep it simple, and use the automatic rule. As for the state itself, we just blend both stop run and walk animations from the root, using a map range for the alpha, that we get from the last ground speed in animation event graph before. Lastly, don't forget to put initialization node before output pose. That's about it. Thanks.